The goal of Roku is to create the best streaming experience for our customers. And in order to do that, we know that it's more than just about subscription on-demand services. We need to enable a healthy ad-supported ecosystem for publishers on our platform to create the most robust viewing experience for those users. Roku on its own has experienced a major milestone in Q1 of this year where our platform business, which includes advertising, for the very first time, revenue exceeded that of the player business, which is actually hardware sales. We did all of that, or we achieved all of that through the foundation of one-to-one targeting using deterministic data that we collect when users are registering their device for the first time. And every ad that we serve on Roku has the ability to be targeted on a one-to-one basis using our own first-party data, a client's own first-party CRM data, or other third-party data sets. For the very first time, we're enabling those same publishers to use Roku's first-party data to convert the ads that they serve on Roku to targeted, leveraging our first-party data. We're calling this the audience marketplace. It's a new way for buyers and sellers to transact. For premium publishers on Roku, they can convert their broad-based video inventory that runs on the platform to targeted. And for buyers, it's about eliminating waste and addressing a more relevant audience with their ads that they serve and the campaigns that they run directly with publishers on the platform. Our launch partners are Fox, Turner, and Viacom. And increasingly, we're going to be adding more publishers to the audience marketplace over time. The audience marketplace is powered by Roku's first-party user registration information, as well as our scalable ad tech platform. This equips our publisher partners with the ability to convert the campaigns that they run on Roku to targeted, leveraging clients' first-party data, third-party data sets, as well as Roku's own first-party behavioral data sets sourced from streaming behavior and ACR viewership through our Roku smart TVs. At the end of the day, Roku is writing the next chapter for how OTT advertising is being sold. If we are able to provide our publisher partners with the tools that they need to better monetize their viewership on the platform, and we equip our advertising partners with the ability to better address the right audience and eliminate waste, we believe that it will create a better viewing experience for our users where they're seeing more relevant ads in lighter ad loads, thus creating a stronger streaming ecosystem where everybody wins. The challenges that advertisers face when they're trying to craft or develop a really sound strategy for planning and buying OTT advertising is that they can go to a variety of different publishers that have distribution across platforms like Roku, and they can buy them directly, and they can buy typically broad audiences or use IP address targeting, which is somewhat inconsistent and has privacy concerns. Alternatively, they can work with platforms like Roku directly to reach a more specific audience leveraging our registration data. This is the first time that they'll be able to address an entire platform no matter how they're buying that inventory in a uniform fashion. And we really think that that's going to change the way that advertisers think about shifting dollars to the OTT space. They know that the audiences are there, and they know that they increasingly have to think about OTT as a channel where they're running and messaging their consumers in order to get scale. But every impression can be served to a more specific audience that can be measured, and outcomes can be generated from that. And this presents a really unique way for them to do that no matter how they're accessing that inventory. Streaming is winning in the minds of both consumers and advertisers. And when all TV is streamed, then all TV ads can be targeted, they can be measurable, and they can be interactive. And this is a big step towards making every ad, at least that's served on Roku platform, targeted, regardless of how it's being purchased.